Good morning children, how are you all? And welcome to the maths class today. So in the mathematics class what we are going to learn? We are going to learn lesson 12, numbers from 21 to 29. So what we are going to learn in this lesson is we have learned numbers from 1 to 20, right? We have learned how to write 1 to 20, how to count, how to group them in tens and units, and how to do additions and subtractions till 1 to 20. Now we are going to go further with the bigger numbers, that is from 21 to 99. So this is again 2-digit numbers only, children. So I will first show you all how to write in your notebook. So you have on page 125 they have asked you all to first trace and then write numbers from 21 to 30. So you all do that, trace that and write down in your classwork. Meanwhile in your notebook I want you all to write from 1 to 50. So you will know the difference from how you will write from single digits to double digits number. So this is how your book is going to be with the boxes, right? So write your numbers from 1 to 50. We are learning about from 21 to 99. Initially I'll do a recap from 1 and then we'll write till 50 and then I'll teach you the next segment of this lesson. So first is 1, 2, say and write along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and when it comes to 10, 0 units and 1 10. So this will be straight to this. Okay, so that's 10. Leave one box in between and go to the next box. 11, 2 digits number. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. So that's again from here onwards it's 2-digit number 20. Go to the next third line. Leave one box in between. 21, 22. Say along with me children. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, so this is how you'll have to write it in your notebook. So 30, then you have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now I have my lines only till 40 over here. What you have to do is leave one line, again one box, and then write 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Children, the last column I don't have enough of space, so I wrote it in the next box itself, but you all have to leave the box and write like how you did for 1, 2, 3 and then you'll have to box and write 11, 12, right? So this way you have to write from 1 to 50. Can you see the difference? The single digit, the unit column, and then when it comes to 10 you write the 0 straight to 9, but the 1 will come out this side, so this is the tens column. So you write it in single box showing it 2 digits and single digits. So that's your 1 to 50. After that is what we have to go to page number 126. Fill in the missing numbers. There are two ways. One is counting by forward counting, the second one is backward counting. And what you will do in forward counting? So the next, go to page number 126. As I said, there's two ways of counting. One is backward counting and forward counting. So first we'll know about forward counting. Now what is forward counting, children? Forward counting is a normal counting. How do we count from 1, 2, 3 to 10, 50, 20 and all that. That's how we wrote. That's forward counting. So when you're doing your forward counting, the number from small goes to bigger number, right? From small number we continue to the big number. So here I have written, there's a caterpillar here. Can you all see the caterpillar? Smiley caterpillar. So what we'll do is from 21 to 30, we'll do the forward counting and fill the blanks with the missing numbers. Okay, so we have 21 here. What will come after 21? That is your forward counting. What comes next afterwards? So that will be the bigger number than this number. So if it's 21, the next number will be 22. So write 2 and 2, 22. After 22, what comes next, children? 23. Yes, there's 23 here. So what comes next to 23? So let's fill in the segments of each segment of the caterpillar. So after 23 comes 24. After 24 you already have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Correct? 30, we came to the end of the tail of the caterpillar, right? So that's forward counting. The caterpillar is moving frontwards. It's moving front. So we know 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. That's your forward counting. Now what the caterpillar is returning back to its place. So it's going backwards. When you see this is a backward counting. Now what we do in backward counting, you all must have learned in your previous chapters from 1 to 9 how you count what comes before 9. When you say what comes after, that's your forward counting. When you say what comes before is your backward counting. So what comes before 9 is 8. What comes before 8 is 7. So like that, that's our backward counting. So we will do our backward counting here from 30 to 21. We did forward counting from 21 to 30. So we know what comes after 21, after 23, after 24. We know what comes. Now we will also know what comes before 30, what comes before 29, what comes before 27 and so on. So this is 30. So we have 30 here. What comes before 30? Before 30 is 29. So before the 0 is our tens place, the units place. Then we will have something in the tens place, right? So before 0 what will come always? 9. Before 9 will come 8. Before 8 will be 7. Even here in 20, that is 0 here. So before 20 what will come? The 9th column, right? So before 0 will be 9, 19. Before 9 will be 8, 18. So like that, when we have 30, that's 30 here. Before 30 what will come? Before 0 is your 9, right? So that will be your 29. Before 9 will be a 8, so that will be 28. Like that, in the backwards counting we go from the big number to small number. In forward counting, small to big number, we keep adding it by 1. In backward counting, we will be subtracting, minusing it by 1. So each time you will minus 1 and go backwards. Okay? So 30, 29. When you minus 1, you will get 29. 29, what comes before 29 is 28. What comes before 28, children? One number before 7, right? So 27. Now before 27 is 6, so 26. Before 26 is our 5, so 25. Before 25 is 24. Before 24 is your 23. Before 23 is 22. And before 22 is before 2 will be the 1, right? And 2, 21. Okay, and we have reached the head of the caterpillar. So this side the caterpillar was moving forward. We reached to the tail with number 30 being the biggest number. And here, because the caterpillar is going the other side, we are counting backwards from 30. We reach to the smallest number, 21. So backward counting is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. 30, 29, 28, 77, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. That's the way you have to count backward. So backwards is always 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. So learn the rhyme 10 little Indians. So they will say like 10 little Indians standing in a row. So it will show you all forward counting. It will teach you all forward counting and backwards counting in 10 little Indian rhymes. So learn that rhyme. It will be easy for you children to do the backward counting. So I want you all to write this in your classwork. Numbers from 1 to 50. Write, complete the exercise on page number 125. Numbers from 21 to 30. And then do this exercise in your textbook. They've already given a caterpillar counting backward and frontward. Same thing, copy it in your classwork also. It will be a practice for you all. Okay. The next class we will do the match the following and numbers from 31 to 60 further. Okay children, for now do this and write it down in your book, and please learn the rhyme 10 little Indians. That will help you all to count the numbers backwards. I shall send you all the link for the rhyme. Take care children. Goodbye.